by using your phone the right way can earn you a good amount of money each day. In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 side hustles that you can do using your phone to make money online. Not just that, I'm also going to rank them and how passive they are, how simple they are to begin, and how much money they can make you in return. So let's jump straight into it. Number 1. Faceless YouTube channels. Now you might be thinking, is it really possible to run a YouTube channel just by using a phone? Yes, it is possible. Not only you can start a YouTube channel just by using your phone, but also you can do that without ever showing your face. First of all, choose a niche or category of your content. If you are wondering which niche to choose, ChatGPT will help you with that. Once you have your niche, all you need to do is start writing the scripts. You can also use free AI tools for that, but do not copy them as it is. Use AI tools for idea creation only and then add your own creativity to it. You can do this on Google Docs using your phone. Then record voiceovers using your phone's built-in recorder. You can find royalty-free footage from all of these sites that you can use in your videos. Simply go to these sites using your phone's browser and download them for free. Finally, for editing your videos, you can use Power Director mobile app or CapCut. These apps are completely free to use. Once you get monetized, YouTube will place ads on your videos and you will get paid for every view you get. Now let's rank this phone side hustle. For difficulty, it gets 3 out of 10 because things might get a little difficult to set up on the phone, but once your channel is up and rolling, things get a lot easier. For passiveness, it gets 8 out of 10. It is due to the fact that once you upload your video to YouTube, they will stay there forever as long as YouTube is around. For earnings, 10 out of 10. YouTube videos has the potential and can make you a lot of money. Side hustle number 2 is Foap. Foap is a mobile phone application where you can make money by uploading your photos and videos. All you need to do is upload your best videos and photos, and if the company wants to buy them, you get 50% of the money as a commission. Most of the photos on Foap sell for around $10, which means you can get $5 for each sale. You can also take part in missions that Foap offers time to time. They will give you a brief of the mission and what they need. Then all you need to do is provide the specific photo or video. The reason why businesses do this is because it's often less expensive to hire a single person to create user-generated content rather than hiring a pricey photography company or shelling out money for pricey stock photographs. Now let's rank this side hustle. For difficulty, it gets 8 out of 10. It is due to the fact that all you need to do is download the app and sign up for an account. For passiveness, it gets 2 out of 10. The reason for that is you have to remain active and keep doing different missions in order to keep making money. For earnings, it gets 3 out of 10. Because this will not make you super rich, however, you can earn some extra money on the side. Side hustle number 3 is Google Opinion Rewards. You need to be very careful because there are a lot of scammy survey websites on the market and you might have come across a few for yourself. Google is one of the biggest companies in the world and they also have a mobile app called Google Opinion Rewards, where you sign up and answer simple questions and get paid for every survey that you complete. But keep in mind that you cannot make full-time income doing these surveys. This is only to help you make a spare cash on the side. All you need to do is download the app on your phone and Google will send you surveys on a weekly basis. They will ask you random questions, for example, when did you last use Google Maps app on your phone? The data they acquire from these surveys help them make their companies more profitable. Google will pay you $1 for each survey that you complete. For difficulty, it gets 10 out of 10. It is very easy to start. All you need is an app to download and you are good to go. For passiveness, 1 out of 10 because you have to keep completing surveys in order to keep earning money. For earnings, it gets 1 out of 10. You can easily make some side cash doing this, but this side hustle is not going to make you super wealthy. Side hustle number 4 is voiceovers. Did you know that you can actually make money by recording your voice? You don't need an expensive microphone for this because phone microphones are really good nowadays. All you need to do is offer your voiceover services on sites like Fiverr and Upwork. Create a promising gig and record some sample voiceovers. If you don't know where to start, make a gig similar to this one. And when somebody buys your gig, they will send you scripts and then you can use your phone's microphone to read the script and record in your own voice. Send it back to the client and get paid. I know many people who have made full-time careers recording voiceovers only. Now let's rank this side hustle. For difficulty, 9 out of 10. Almost every phone has a built-in recorder, and if not, you can download one from the App Store and start selling your voiceover services. For passiveness, it gets 2 out of 10. You have to remain active and keep recording voiceovers in order to keep making money. And for earnings, it gets 5 out of 10. Side hustle number 5 is Clarity.fm. This side hustle is really good if you have any type of skill that you can help people with. Simply sign up for Clarity.fm using your phone and advertise your services. These services may include relationship advice, video games, cooking, business, and anything you know about and help others with your advice. People will pay you per minute and talk to you over phone calls. They will ask you questions, you answer them and make money just by using your phone. For ranking this phone side hustle and for difficulty, it gets 8 out of 10. Assuming you already have some kind of skill or knowledge and can help people with your advice. For passiveness, it gets 1 out of 10. You must continue to exchange your time for money by speaking with callers on the phone in order to generate income. But for earnings, it gets 9 out of 10. Because I can see a lot of people on Clarity.fm charging high prices. And as you build up your portfolio, you can also start charging higher prices. Side hustle number 6 is DoorDash. Download the DoorDash app onto your phone and register to work as a delivery driver. But you need to have a car for this. You get a base payment for each order you complete, and on top of that, you get to keep all of the tips that you receive. If DoorDash is not available where you live, you can look for similar services, for example, Uber Eats or Postmates. For difficulty, it gets 8 out of 10, assuming you have a car or some type of transportation. For passiveness, it gets 1 out of 10, and for earnings, it gets 6 out of 10. Side hustle number 7 is Instagram. Almost everyone has Instagram app in their phone, but did you know that you can actually earn good amount of money with Instagram? I personally know many people running faceless Instagram theme pages, and if you're not familiar with this concept and not sure how to make profit with this, take a look at this account. It has more than 1 million followers, and all they do is post simple business-related content. They upload photos with some motivational text, and creating these posts are also very simple using free tools like Canva. Selling shoutouts is how you make money doing this. Shoutouts are just advertising some other company or accounts where you link them back to their account within your post. Once you have made an account and acquired decent amount of followers, you can make good amount of money from doing these shoutouts. Instagram has more than 2 billion active users, and every company wants to advertise here. You can sell shoutouts on sites like shoutcard.com. You can also promote your affiliate offers and your own products to make even more money. Now here is how you can grow your Instagram account. Choose a good niche. Post 4 to 5 times per day. Keep posting feeds, reels, stories, and IGTV content. Use relevant and good hashtags. Now let's rank this phone side hustle. For difficulty, it gets 3 out of 10. It can take some time to build up your following and start making money from it. For passiveness, it gets 7 out of 10. You can schedule all of your stuff. Even if you take a break, your account will still grow. For earnings, it gets 9 out of 10. Once you grow your account, you can make a lot of money. Side hustle number 8 is digital products. If you have any type of skill, why not teach others too? You can use your phone to record videos of yourself teaching that skill and upload them on Udemy and sell them as a course. Udemy will also promote your course, but unfortunately, you will have to split your earnings by 50% with Udemy. So it is not a best deal. But if all you have right now is a phone and that's your only way of making money, certainly this is a good place to begin. You can also upload your course on Kajabi and keep most of the profits. Get a lot of affiliates to advertise your course for you by using a payment processor like Digistore24. For difficulty, it gets 3 out of 10. It can take some effort to build a good course so that you can logically instruct someone in a way that makes sense. Additionally, scripting and recording the content takes time, but once it's done, it has the potential to sell and make you passive income for years. So, for passiveness, it gets 10 out of 10. For earnings, it also gets 10 out of 10. I personally know people making a lot of money from this phone side hustle. Side hustle number 9 is affiliate marketing, and no doubt you can do this just by using your phone. If you visit websites like Digistore24 and ClickBank and explore their marketplace section, you will see that there are thousands of digital products that you can promote and earn good commissions. The way it works is download Digistore app on your phone and sign up for an account. Open the marketplace and find the product that you would like to promote. Copy the link and spread it as much as you can. There are numerous ways in which you can promote your affiliate link. You can use YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and every other social media platform. Pinterest can be a very good option for driving good quality traffic to your affiliate links. If you promote a $500 product and get 50% in commission on each sale, you can easily make $250, which is pretty good. For difficulty, it gets 5 out of 10. For passiveness, it gets 8 out of 10. This depends on the traffic source that you are going to use, and it can take some time to earn your first commission. But once you start to get good amount of traffic, it will keep making you money passively. For earnings, it gets 10 out of 10. I know a lot of people earning full-time income with affiliate marketing. Side hustle number 10 that you can do using your phone and earn money online is Etsy. This side hustle is my favorite, and I have been doing it personally for many years now. I also have a detailed video on this topic showing you how to sell on one of the biggest marketplaces in the world and make money online with the help of AI tools. Etsy is typically famous for DIY arts and crafts, but you can use free AI tools to sell on Etsy. Simply download the Etsy seller app to your phone and create a listing like this one. As you can see, it says, turn your photo into art. There are a lot of free AI apps that you can use for this. Just look at the selling potential on this. For difficulty, it gets 4 out of 10. For passiveness, it gets 6 out of 10. For earnings, 8 out of 10. Here are the rankings of every side hustle we just discussed in this video. Some will allow you to make money more quickly, and some may require some time to develop. They might not provide any income for a few months, but they have the potential to set you up for the rest of your life. For instance, establishing YouTube channels, selling digital goods, and other stuff that you can do with your phone. If I were to start my own side hustle using my phone from scratch, these are the side hustles I would personally think about implementing, focusing on YouTube and digital products. So that's it for today's video. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. And until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. See you in the next video.